Dear children, today we will start chapter number 2, exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, question number 1. Sub question number 1, 2 minus 3 by 5. Here 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Doing cross multiplication, we get 2 into 5 is equal 10. 3 into 1 is equal 3. Divide by 1 into 5 is equal 5. So 10 minus 3 equal to 7 by 5. Converting it into mixed fraction, we get one integer 2 by 5. Hence 2 minus 3 by 5 is equal 1 integer 2 by 5. Now all the remaining sub questions are same. Question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. First 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. Here we have calculated the LCM of 9, 3 and 21, which is 63. Making the denominator same, we have 2 by 9 into 7 by 7 equal to 14 by 63. 2 by 3 into 21 by 21, which is 42 by 63, and 8 by 21 into 3 by 3, which is 24 by 63. Since 42 is greater than 24, 24 is greater than 14. Hence, 2 by 3 greater than 8 by 21 is greater than 2 by 9. Second sub question is also same. Question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? Along first row, we have 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So, here denominators are same. So, we have to add 4 plus 9 plus 2, which is equal to 15 by 11. Now, checking all the other row, column and diagonals, we get the same answer, which is 15 by 11. Since the sum of all the fraction row wise, column wise and the diagonal wise is same. Hence, it is a magic square. Question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12.5 cm long and 10 2 by 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. Now solution. Length of sheet is equal 12.5, so we get 25 by 2 cm, and breadth of the sheet is equal 10 2 by 3, or we can say 32 by 3 cm. Now, as you know, perimeter is sum of all sides. So here perimeter is equal 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into bracket 25 by 2 plus 32 by 3 centimeter is equal 2 into bracket and cross multiplication 25 multiply 3 plus 32 multiply 2 upon 2 into 3. So we get 2 multiply into bracket 75 plus 64 upon 6, LCM of 2 and 3 is equal 6. Solving, we get 2 multiply 75 plus 64, which is 139 by 6. That is 139 by 3. Hence, the required perimeter is equal 46 integer 1 by 3 centimeter. Question number 5. Find the perimeters of first sub-question triangle ABE, second the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? Perimeter is sum of all the sides. Here we have AB plus BE plus AE, that is 5 by 2 centimeter plus 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter plus 3 integer 3 by 5 centimeter, which is 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5 centimeter. Now LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is equal 20 and cross multiplication, so 5 into 10 plus 11 into 5 plus 18 into 4 upon 20. So we get 50 plus 55 plus 72 by 20 centimeter, which is 177 by 20 centimeter is equal 8 integer 17 by 20 centimeter. Hence, the perimeter of triangle ABE is equal 8 integer 17 by 20 centimeter. Now question number 5, sub question number 2. In the same way, we will calculate the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So we get 7 integer 5 by 6 centimeter. Since 8 integer 17 by 20 is greater than 7 integer 5 by 6. Thus, perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. Now next question, question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? The width of the picture equal to 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter, which is 38 by 5 centimeter. The required width of the frame is equal 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter, which is 73 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, the width of the picture to be trimmed of 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10 centimeter, which is 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10 centimeter. Now, LCM of 5 and 10 is equal 10. So, cross multiply 2 into 38 minus 73 into 1 upon 10 centimeter, which is 76 minus 73 upon 10 centimeter. Hence, the required width to be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? Solution. Let the whole part of the apple be 1. Part of the apple eaten by Ritu is equal 3 by 5. Therefore, part of the apple eaten by her brother Somu is equal 1 minus 3 by 5 equal to 1 by 1 minus 3 by 5, which is 1 into 5 minus 3 into 1 upon 5. That is 5 minus 3 upon 5 is equal 2 by 5. Since 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5, thus the share of Ritu was larger. Difference between the two parts is equal 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, which is 1 by 5 part. Hence, the Ritu's part is larger by 1 by 5. Now this exercise, last question, question number 8. Michelle finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Whose worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Solution. Question number 8 is same as question number 7. So try it yourself.